Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. This session is a continuation of the previous video, which is Windows function in SQL. Now in this session we are gonna learn partition by function in SQL. Now let's dive in. So first of all, what exactly is partition by? The partition by clause is used with the window functions in SQL to divide the result set into partitions. As the name suggests, it separates into groups of partitions. Why to use this partition in SQL? It helps us to perform calculation within the group of data. It helps us to partition. If we have a whole record, it will help us to partition over ascending or descending or by rank, row, over, etc. Now let's see a real-time example. In the previous video, I have showed the demo for some of the Windows function like row numbers rank and dense rank. Now we are gonna see about partition by clause. Partition by is also same like all the three window clause. Now for the partition function, first I'm selecting retrieving the data from my table. So select ID, name, salary and department, comma. Don't forget to add comma at the end. Next, it also same as what we did for row number, dense rank and partition. Here second, here we for this also I'm using row number, in open bracket close bracket, over in open bracket. Here we have the changes. There we have written it as order by salary descending. Now here it will be a slightly a change of partition by department, and next you have to add order by salary descending, which we learnt in the previous video, and close your bracket as row number. What is your class that you have to write it? I want the salary is descending, but also I want the partition by as department. So I'll be getting extra two columns here. As at a first you have to in second you have to start with your class and end with your class over partition by and as row number from your table name. From my table name is employee, so I have given it as from employee. Here the red line indicates I'm having the error. The error is here I have divided the by, so now the error was cleared now. So if I highlight and execute, you can be able to get the output. This is same as the first what we have in the previous video. Here we are adding only the extra clauses partition by department. Nothing is different from here, only the partition by we are adding extra. It is same as normal window function of row number, dense and rank function. If you couldn't understand this, watch previous video of mine and then watch the second part. Next for rank. First I have for row number, also second same syntax only here. So I'm copying and pasting here. Here what you have to change? You have to change your clause as rank. Other syntax all same only as row number, that and final also you have to change. I told the second line should start with whatever clause you are using and also end with the same clause what you have used. The only change here is you will be changing the clauses according. If you want partition you can add, otherwise you can start it from over order by itself. Now also if I highlight and if I execute it, you can able to see that department and rank as separate column. You will be getting an extra column as my output. I executed and I got the output as ID, name, salary, department and rank. Now at last we are gonna see about the last function known as dense. Don't get confused. In Windows function I have taught only three clauses. First one is row number, second one is rank and third one is dense rank. And also now the extra known as partition by. Here also the same syntax. Here you have to start with your dense rank. So I'm changing it as dense rank, and you have to end your second line as the whatever you have class used. I am rewriting it as dense rank. Now everything is same. The only thing you have to keep in mind is you have to use your clause wisely, highlight and execute it. Now you can able to get your output. This is how you will be using your partition functions. I hope you all understood how to use this partition by. Thank you for your attention till now. Also, if you found this useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more useful contents like this. Thank you. See you all in the next video.